Good morning! I hope you've had a fun week hunting around your house and outside, if you have a garden in the backyard, for those k words. Maybe you've made a little book or you've started collecting your k sounds in a little baggie or a box. I'm so excited for you. I hope that you got to make our k crab yesterday too and you had so much fun. Today I am so excited. Wednesday is my favorite day of the week, and that is because it's Science Day. Science Day, we do a science experiment, and it's an experiment that you can do at home too. I'm so excited. But first we are going to start with our morning welcome, our songs, and then we will do our experiment. Ready? The sun is coming up. The sun is coming up. We thank the earth for spinning round and being here for us. The sun is coming up. The sun is coming up. We thank the earth for spinning round and being here for us. The sun is coming up. The sun is coming up. We thank the earth for spinning round and being here for us. When I sit at circle, my bottom is on the floor. My legs are crisscross applesauce. My eyes are looking, my ears are listening, my mouth is closed, and my hands are in my lap. Good morning to you, good morning to you. We're all in our places with bright shiny faces, and I say to you, good morning to you. Good morning, Ms.Alexa. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. I'm glad you're here today. Hooray! Buenos días. ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias. ¿Y usted? Buenos días. ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias. ¿Y usted? Good morning, my friends. I am so happy that you could join us today. But what day is it today? If yesterday was Tuesday and tomorrow will be Thursday, that means today is, let's have a look. If yesterday was Tuesday and tomorrow will be Thursday, that's right. It means today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday there's a lot of numbers. Will you help me count, please? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Wow, that's a lot of numbers. Today is Wednesday, March 25th. Hoy es el miércoles, el 25 de marzo. Ready? Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Los días de la semana son siete. Son siete. Los días de la semana son siete. Son siete. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo, son siete. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Sunny, 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 sunny. Is it sunny in the sky? S-U-N-N-Y is sunny. Is it sunny in the sky? Cloudy, 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 cloudy. Is it cloudy in the sky? C-L-O-U-D-Y, cloudy. Is it cloudy in the sky? Rainy, 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 rainy. Is it rainy in the sky? R-A-I-N-Y is rainy. Is it rainy in the sky? Windy, 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 windy. Is it windy in the sky? W-I-N-D-Y, windy. Is it windy in the sky? Snowy, 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 snowy. Is it snowy in the sky? S-N-O-W-Y is snowy. Is it snowy in the sky? What's the weather like today with you? With me here in Charleston, it's a bit rainy today. Yeah. So I'm going to sing about the rain, but you can sing with what the weather is like with you. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. I know a day just like today, and rainy was the weather. R-A-I-N-Y, 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 and rainy was the weather. Okay, my friends, I have a really cool science experiment to show you today. Because we've been learning all about the oceans, I thought it would be so nice to make our own mini ocean at home. Yeah, because we can't get out to the ocean right now, and it'd be really nice to bring the outside inside. So let's make some waves. How do you make some waves inside? I have some of my materials on my tray, but I would recommend doing this at the table with your parents because we might be using a big jar. So I have a mason jar with the lid. Yeah. If you have food coloring at home, you need like a blue color. Unfortunately, I don't have any blue food coloring. So I'm going to use what I have at home, but I do have some blue paint. So I'm going to use a little bit of blue paint. And if you don't have blue paint either, if you have a blue marker, if you dip it in the water, it'll give it a blue coloring. I know there are lots of ways to make the water blue. I also have some shells that I collected a long time ago on the beach. I like to pick up shells on the beach, but I haven't been for a while. So I'm going to use the ones that I collected a little while ago. Some shells. Hear the shell. I have some water that I took out of the tap and put into a jug. And I have some baby oil. Now I'm using baby oil for this, but you can also use vegetable oil or any type of oil that you have in the house would work, just so it can separate. And I'll show you. Let's make some waves. Take my shell. Listen to the sound as I put my shells in my glass jar. Now we're going to fill up half of the jar with water. I would like you at home to keep this on the table. I'm just going to hold it right now so you can see what I'm doing. Fill up half the jar with water. Are you ready? Watch as I pour the water into my jar. What am I going to fill the rest of my jar with? I need my blue paint. I'm going to put a little bit of blue paint in right now because I'd like the colour to change blue. So I'm going to put this down. My blue paint. Oh, a tiny bit of blue paint. Boop. Can you see it? It'll mix it up when I shake it up. And now I'm going to add my baby oil or my vegetable oil and fill it up to the rest of the jar. Can you see the bubbles? Oh. Now even without the colour in it, can you see the two layers? Put my lid on. And before I make the waves, I'm actually going to shake it up a little bit to get the blue paint mixed in. Can you see all the bubbles? Let's see what it does. Now I probably should have put my blue paint in first so it mixed up more with the water. That's okay. Sometimes science experiments don't always go the way that you wanted them to. What do you see? There seems to be two layers. Shall we make some waves? Ready? Friends, we made some waves. Why do you think that they separated into two sections? The oil seems to be on the top and the water is in the bottom. My friends, that is because oil is less dense than water. Less dense? What does that mean? Well, basically it means water and oil are both made up of molecules, I guess lots of little circles. Water has a lot more little circles all packed together than oil. So when the oil tries to get through, it can't because there's no space for it to go through. So the water tends to sink to the bottom and the oil stays on the top, which is why we can make waves. Let's sing our song about waves in the sea, our silly song. Do you remember we sang it last week about a sailor who went to sea? Are you ready? It goes like this. A sailor went to sea, to see what he could see, but all that he could see was the bottom of the deep blue sea. Let's go faster. A sailor went to chop to see what he could chop, but all that he could chop was the bottom of the deep blue chop, sea. A sailor went to knee to see what he could knee, but all that he could knee was the bottom of the deep blue knee, chop, sea. Can you go faster? A sailor went to snap to see what he could snap, but all that he could snap was the bottom of the deep blue snap, knee, chop, sea, faster. A sailor went to jump to see what he could jump, but all that he could jump was the bottom of the deep blue jump, snap, knee, chop, sea. Whew. I mixed up my C's there. Did you see? I did C instead of C. That's when you have two words that sound the same but are spelt differently. And we'll talk about that in another lesson. Okay, my friends, that was wonderful. Let's end our lesson with some wave breathing. We're going to breathe in and then out with a wave. So in. Thank you so much, my friends, for watching. I hope you enjoy making your waves today and continue to collect all of your sounds and your ocean animals. I'm excited to hear all about it. Tune in for tomorrow, because tomorrow we will do some gardening and also we do more Spanish tomorrow, and I'm so excited to start that with you. I love those days. I hope you have a wonderful day and I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye, my friends. Goodbye.